parking area. Now they're doing the farm work. Soon they will pour the concrete for the retaining wall. We will have the electric box here with the meter, and then the parking area. Swimming pool, and this is the living room area in plot 4. Kitchen, and then here will be the opening. The round columns, very neat. That is gonna be the stair to walk down the bedroom underneath. Here. From here you will have the entrance, and then you walk over the water feature, and then you access plot 4 living room there. Here the bedroom, it's pump room down there. Soon at plot 3. Here, home cinema area. The drop inside. We will have the bridge from the master here, and then you can walk over there to access the terrace in the living room area, and then the swimming pool. That's what we add on. Okay, we will walk up to plot 2 now. It's getting easier with the walking on site. They remove the formwork that here in plot 2 pump room. They already take it out. Preparing for the brickwork here. All the bedroom are not that big. Teddy is over there with the worker. The roof of plot 1. Oh, now you can see. Soon the floor of plot 3 will be poor. Soon. But now no one working here. Very nice. And you will have a very nice backdrop here. Here, wow. You can see with the detail. On the tiny part. That the plastic before, and then you will have like small cube of the cement. The steel should not be touching the ground directly. Should be in the middle between the cement. And over there you can see plot 2 is in action. The formwork always take the most time. Now they already have all the footing. Up. Oh. On top. Plot 2 will be a big floor here. The living room floor. head worker here. And in the back, we will have the waterfall there. So noisy for this one. One. Daddy. So sure we can go up. ยังไงปีนไม่ได้ไง Roof work here. Swimming pool. What's gonna be the best shot for master? Master Tour อ้าว เล็กนิดเดียว หมาวนมาเจอเลยชัชมาไปเลยไหนดูเท็ดดี้ดิ เอาไปไหนแล้ว It's so funny. He knows it. เดี๋ยว Here we go up. He know all the access. And soon here we go up there. Let's go. เด้ไปแล้ววับWe are in plot 1 living room floor
โรบานมันเท่าไหร่โรบานมันครึ่งอันนี้มันต้องก่อเพิ่มมันน่าจะก่อมาถึงนี่ใช่เดี๋ยวต้องก่อ
The element of the round column, we just have the wall.
Plot 1 swimming pool is nice. Sea view Chaweng. But we see plot 2 and 3.
Yeah, I don't have it.
Yeah. Nice rock backdrop.
Yeah. What is this one for if you say it's for the structure?
ตอนแรกจะมีรูปบีมแต่ว่าต้องของ
Problem solving. 2 meter need to be added. เอ้ยมาเลยมาเลย It's gonna be so nice with the rock. Now they do the roof. Soon it will be over. Teddy want the water. เหนื่อยแล้ว The plot 2 farm work step by step adding more and more Teddy ขึ้นไปเลย ขึ้นง่ายเลยนะ Progress